po natin si and all of you at Disney, Jolly, and clap your hands all together. Kami sa kilikili. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Kami sa bewang po. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Palakpak. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This time, lalagyan na po natin. Collect any kind of coins coming from some other guests, especially to your mommy and daddy. Ano po gagawin ng mga bata? Lalapit lang po asking for your help to collect any kind of coins. 1 peso, 5 peso coins, 10 peso coins, and 20 peso coins. You only have to do to collect any kind of coins. Coming for some other guests. Okay, wait lang po. Wala pa pong bosinan. Balik po kayo dito. Wala pa po. Okay, wala pa po. Okay, sabay. Hello! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Salita sa mga kids is a yes or no? We have a winner. Okay, so last player, once nakatingin po sa inyong logo, under naman po. Ibig sabihin, between the two legs pa ilalay papunta sa unahan. Okay, next na gagawin naman po ni first player kapag nakatingin po ang logo. Hawakan po natin ang logo pataas. Okay? At sabay-sabay po ay ikot sa upuan like this. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Jack! Okay, clap po naman po natin din, Jack. Happy birthday. So, are you ready? And 3, 2, 1. Holiday balita ko po ay may regalo kang ibibigay coming from Jolita with Friends, Betty, Coco, Turley, and Mr. Young. Ito pa isang limited edition po na magical na magpalakpakan po na. Okay, ay magtatapos si Jollibee, walang kumapal. Jollibee to you, your wishes come. Make your mommy and your daddy go so proud of you. Jolly birthday to you, may your feet happen. Everybody, clap your hands for that. Jolly birthday to you. So be ready. And 3, 2, 1.
Jolly birthday to you. May your wishes come true. Meet your mommy and your daddy. Oh, so proud of you.
Jolly
1, 2, 3, go.
Thank you everyone for the gifts.